Hey everyone, I'm Srinivasan, .NET developer. We are looking into SQLite tutorials. In this video, I'm going to explain what is absolute function used in SQLite databases. Absolute function is nothing but if you want to get fetch any numbers from any columns, if any of the value in the column is negative, but we want up only positive numbers. So in this case, so we can use the absolute function. For example, this is the table I'm going to use. I'm going to use for this uh, for the explanations, and yeah, I just added a new query editor, and I'm going to write the query. Um, Absolute apps. Um, Age. So we are getting the same result, right? So there is no changes, so we are getting the same result values what we have in the table. So I'm going to mention the negative before mentioning the column name. So now I will get all the negative numbers, right? So because we are multiplying the minus, it's num it putting the minus is implicitly multiplying with -1 with the value, right? So yeah, so now we are getting the negative values. So um, yeah, for demonstration I just use the make all the values negative. And so now we want a positive numbers only, right? So for that we are going to write the apps function. Yeah, now you can see positive. You can see all the numbers are uh, transferred to positive. So all the numbers we are getting the all the positive numbers. So even if the value fetched value is negative, right? So I hope you can understand what is absolute method is. So the next video I'll come up with a different topic. Yeah, thank you friends.